Morning. Alright, so doing our live workout. Remember, we've got 50 seconds of each exercise, then 10 seconds to like get into the next one. We're doing all 15, then we're gonna have a minute's rest, and then we're gonna go again. So let's do it. So starting off with high knees and a burpee. So you're gonna do 3 high knees and then down to a burpee. Let's do it. Right, we've got 10 seconds to get ready. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So high knees, 3 each side, and then down to a burpee. And 3 high knees. And then we have got alternating backward lunges, so we're just going to step back into our lunge, swapping legs each time. Ready? Let's go. Get as low as you can. Keep your weight in the front heel. Get your knees to 90 degrees. Alright, and then we've got jumping jacks or star jumps. So if you've got a band, you can pop this on for them to make it a little bit harder. Ready? Let's go. Halfway there. Alright, and then we've got high plank leg kick ups. So if you've got a light enough band, you can wear it. I feel this is better without a band. Go into your high plank, and we're lifting our leg up. Think about squeezing your bum. Try and keep your body in line, so don't let your hips go too high. Halfway there. Alright, and then we've got squat walks and a jump, so we're going to do 3 walks and then we're going to jump up. Your walks can be forwards or backwards. So squat down, 1, 2, 3, jump it up. Remember to keep your heels to the floor in your walks. Don't have your weight in your toes. Keep it going, keep your knees apart. Alright, and then we've got clams, so we're going to do 25 seconds each side. So one knee on top of the other, and we're just opening our knees up. Ready? Let's go. So think about squeezing your bum. And then swap to the other side. Keep it going, open the leg as wide as you can. Alright, and then we've got a glute bridge with abduction. So to the top of your glute bridge, pull your knees apart. Ready? Try and keep your knees out the whole time. So you want to have resistance on the band the whole time. Keep your weight in your heels. Up to the top, open it up, squeeze your bum. Keep our neutral pelvis. Keep it going. Alright, and then we've got knees to squat, so onto our knees, up into our squat. Remember to stay as low as you can in the squat. Let's go. Back down and swap to the other side. Halfway there. And then we've got pull squats. So into your squat, pulse it there. Keep your knees apart, keep your weight in your heels. Let's go. Keep it going. 25 more seconds. Alright, and then we've got kickbacks and fire hydrants. So kicking one leg back, take it to the side. 25 seconds each side. Ready? Let's go. And then swap to the other side. The back, to the side. upper body section. So we've got press up and shoulder taps. So we're going to do our press up, and when we're at the top we're going to tap our shoulders. Ready? Let's go. And then we've got crunches, so crunching it up. Try and hold it for a little bit at the top and really squeeze. Let's go. Alright, and then we've got leg raises, so line it back, keep your lower back to the floor, and our legs are just going up and down. Try not to touch them onto the floor each time. And then we have got shoulder press up, so into our down dog position, bum nice and high up, and then pressing it up and down. Ready? Oh wait, that was not the vibration of the timer. Keep it going. That was. And then last thing, we've got leg circles, so lying it down, lower back to the floor. Keep your feet off the floor and circle them. And then we've got a 1 minute rest. Let's go. Alright, 1 minute breather. The door just went. when your belly comes back. It's alright. They are. Alright, keep breathing. We've got a 1 minute breather. And then we're going again. Do you need a key? Mine's, what is it, the postman? The key is there. I don't think I have a delivery. Maybe I do. Keep breathing. We've just got one more round to go. I don't know what one's the hardest. I always think the pull squats are really hard to keep going the whole time. Alright, we've got 10 seconds, so let's get ready for our high knees and burpee. So 3 high knees each side, down to a burpee. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. We've got our backward lunges, so swap a leg each time. So let's go. Get as low as we can. Keep it moving. Get as low as you can. Alright, then we've got jumping jacks, so pop your band on. If you've got one. Let's go. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. And then we've got our high plank, so you can keep your band on, remember. Onto our hands, we're kicking our legs up. Ready? Let's go. Think about squeezing your glutes, keep your belly button into your spine. Keep it going. Alright, Right, and then we've got squat, walks and a jump. So we're going to do 3 walks. We're going to jump up. Let's go. Stay nice and low. We're doing good. More seconds. All right, and then into our climb, so onto the side, opening your knees up. Ready, 25 seconds each side. So keep your feet together, open your knees. Keep it going, really squeeze your bum. Take your knees as wide as you can. And the other side. Keep it going, open it as wide as you can. Perfect, and then next we've got our glute bridges and abduction. So onto your back, up to the top, pull your knees apart. Let's go. Go up as high as you can. Really squeeze your glutes. Then we have got knees to squat, so onto your knees, step up into a squat, come back down. Ready? Let's go. And then we've got our pull squats. So just stay it down as long as you can. Pulse it there. Ready? Let's go. Keep your knees apart. We're halfway there. Whew. Legs on fire. Keep it going, 10 more seconds. Kneel and kick back some fire hydrants. Ready? 25 seconds each side. Other side. Keep it going. All right, and then into our press up and shoulder taps. So press up, opposite shoulder tap. Ready? Let's go. And then we've got crunches, so crunching it up. Remember, try and hold it at the top a little bit. Pull your belly button into your spine. Let's go. We've got our shoulder, wait, no we don't. Now we've got our leg raises. So keep your lower back to the floor, legs up and down, try not to touch them on the floor. Let's go. And then we've got our shoulder press up, so bum nice and high into a down dog position. And into our press ups. Ready? Let's go. And then we've got leg circles. last exercise and then we'll have a stretch. So just remember to keep your lower back to the floor. Ready? Let's go. Done, so let's have a stretch. So keep your legs out in front, reach forward over them. Oh, well done. Smashed it. Bottoms of our feet together. Into a bit of a lunge. Keep your hands to the floor. Back leg out. Straighten up your legs. Back down. Swap to the other side. Straighten it up. Take it back down. Legs behind, hips into the floor. Sit back onto your heels. Pull one arm across. And the other side. Take it up and over. And the other side. There we go.